welcome back to Free Technical Help. Once again, my name is Shal, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting feature that has been introduced by Microsoft for the users who have been using Microsoft Office 365. So, just to let you know, what I'm going to talk about today is imagine a situation when you are holding your breakfast in your hand and you got an email to read which you have received from your boss, or let's say you have a Word document that you want to read out. It's a lengthy document, but you are holding something in your hand. So Microsoft has come up with a feature that's called as Read Aloud in Office 365. Wherein this would be available to users who are using Microsoft Office 365 latest version. This particular feature is available in Microsoft Word as well as in Outlook. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys quickly how you can use this feature. So let's open up Microsoft Word. Now I'm just opening Microsoft Word, and let me open this particular file which has a couple of things in here. And this particular document, if I want to know what exactly is written in this document, I can just go ahead and click on the review, and then I can click on the option that says read aloud. Let me just make it visible to you guys clearly so that you can see what exactly I'm doing. So let's see here. Okay, so once you need to click on review, and then you just need to go ahead and click on read aloud option. As soon as you
Reallocate
click
to
that,
United
it will
Kingdom.
start reading out to you.
Complete process of getting a visa for UK. Edited by Shalendra Kushwaha. A note from editor. A passionate, focused.
Also, you can see as it's reading the document to you, it's also highlighting the particular word that is being read. And from this option that says setting on the right side, you can change the voice selection. You can select from the three options: Microsoft David, Zira, or Microsoft Mark. Whatever you choose, it would start reading on that particular voice. So I've chosen David, and I'm gonna
A
play it.
passionate, focused and ambitious graphic designer, entrepreneur, and overall thinker who have gained extensive knowledge of digital design across a broad spectrum of industries, from premium retail to mobile-optimized marketing. My past experience has shaped my ability to adapt quickly, collaborate effectively, and execute designs from concept to completion. S. Kushwaha. Contents.
So that's how it works in Microsoft Word. And if we talk about Outlook, then all you need to do is just select an email. And once you select an email, on the right hand side top under the home button, you will see an option that says read aloud. You click on it and it'll start reading the complete email for you. So that's it for today. I hope this is gonna help you guys in your daily routine in Office, and you can easily uh, get a document read. And for those who are in a job where they need to uh, do the editing, or let's say they need to review the document, for them it's gonna be really good. And that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like button and share it with your friends and colleagues so that they can make use of it. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can see the latest technology tricks and tutorial from Free Technical Help. For further information about these techs, do visit our website. That's www.freetechnicalhelp.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.